Hello and welcome to softexpert. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can install and set up Classima classified ads WordPress theme. And as the name suggests, we can use this theme for creating a classified ads website where people can come on your website, they can register and can sell their products. And the item can be anything like a product or a property or a home or anything else, which will be in the form of ads. Now although this theme is a bit old, but it has recently updated. And some other reasons to choose this theme, as you can see we have a couple of demos available, so we can keep any of these as our home page. I'll explore one of them and then we'll see how we can install and set up this theme. Okay, and then this is compatible with Elementor, using which we can create the website just by drag and drop. They also have a drag and drop form builder with repeater fields, drag and drop filter builder. This is for the listing, and it can be used for any multi-directory website like classified ads, restaurants, car, places, hotels, services and so on. And it also has Google Map and OpenStreet integrated. It's responsive, WooCommerce friendly, and we can add Google Ads, we can add Redis search for a specific area, so on and so forth. Now let's explore one of its demos, then we will see how we can get and set up this theme. Okay, so to explore any demo, just click here and this will open up the theme page. Again, WordPress, Elementor and so on. So let's scroll down. These are the home pages available, and as mentioned earlier, you can keep any of these as your home page, and in the demo we'll get all these pages. Okay, so let's go with this one, home 6, and this is how your website will look. Here you can display your logo, then the main menu with all the home pages, with a mega menu, another one having all the pages, store pages, blog, contact. This is for the chat, login and register, and post your ad. Then this is the main section, so you can display an animated text. Then you can search for a specific service, place or item within a specific category and location. And everything you see here is customizable. You can see lots of categories. We can customize these inside WordPress dashboard. Okay, let's close this. We can open up any specific location. You can customize these as well. Then let's scroll down. We have some feature properties. You can see this is dress, then this is a property for rent, another one, and a bag. Means that this is an ad listing and can be used for multi purposes. Okay, then buy sell properties, so this is for the selling, buy, to let. We can open up any of these and we can see more details. Okay, then some top cities, and this is how it works. Blog, pricing, so you can keep different packages, and testimonials, and then for the F and footer. Let's open up any listing. So this is a single listing. You can see a gallery with zoom and different pictures, some more details, pricing, overview, location, related, and on the right side the seller information. This is from this theme. The seller address, you can view his store, and the seller is offline now. This is the phone number, chat, email, and another ad. Okay, now if I click here, I can log in and then I can post an ad. Okay, that we will test after we install the theme. Okay, so let's see how we can get this theme and then how we can set this off. So the theme link will be in the video description. Just go there and that will take you to this page. And this is the theme price. This is, by the way, one-time fee. You can pay this and then you can use this theme for lifetime. Just add it to cart. If you don't have an inventory account, it will ask you to create an account. You can just sign up using your Gmail. Okay, then this is the regular license. You can extend the support up to 12 months if you want to. If not, just go to checkout, and then you can pay for this theme using PayPal or Visa MasterCard. So just pay for this theme. Once you pay for the theme, you can just go to your downloads page and then download the theme. So just click here and click all files and documentation, and also its purchase code. You will get 2 files, and after download you will get 2 files like these. This is the purchase code and this is the theme. Before uploading it, just right click and click extract all and extract. You will get a new folder. Just open it and go to uploads, and we need to upload these two files to our WordPress. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard. And this is a clean WordPress dashboard. You can see we only have this hello world post. Now to upload the theme, we will go to appearance, themes, add theme, upload, and choose file. And from that folder, I'll select the main theme, open and install now. And now we can go ahead and activate the main theme. But for the best practice, we will use the child theme if in future we want to add some custom codes or want to modify the theme files. Okay, so I'll go back to themes, add new, upload theme, choose file, select the child theme and install now. And now the main theme is there, so we can go ahead and activate this one. Once you activate it, you will see a couple of notices. But before that, let's remove the unwanted themes. So I'll delete this one. Now the first thing is we will need to activate our theme using the purchase code. So just click on activate license, and here you can enter your purchase code to activate the theme. So this is our purchase code, and this is the item purchase code. We'll just copy it. We'll paste it here and activate. You can see activated. So let's go back. Now we can go ahead and install these plugins because these are required for running this theme properly. So let's click begin installing plugins. I'll select all. We'll choose install and apply. Then go back. Again select all and activate. That's it. Let's return to our dashboard. Now you will notice some new options like classified listings, review schema. These are due to the theme and plugins we installed, okay? But still, if we visit the website and reload it, you will notice some changes, but there is nothing special. So let's import the demo content and then we can customize it further, okay? Let's go back, and to import the demo content, just go to appearance and you will see import demo data. Just click there, then scroll down, and again you will see all the pages that I showed you in the demo. So you can import any of these and you can keep it as your home page. I have showed you home 6, so let's import this one. I'll just click import demo, then continue and import, and that's it. It will start importing the demo content. This may take a few minutes, so let's wait for it. And import complete. Let's visit our website again, and we got the whole website on our domain, including the logo, all the pages, menu, the search bar, properties, and so on. So this was how you can install and set up this theme. Now let me quickly guide you how you can customize this website and how you can make it your own. The main pages can be edited with Elementor. It's very easy and powerful, so just click edit with Elementor on any page and it will open up in Elementor. You can edit that specific page. Also you can go to all pages here in the dashboard, where you will find all the pages that you can edit with Elementor, okay? So home 1, home 10, 11 and so on. Let's quickly edit the home page. So I'll just click edit with Elementor, and it will open up Elementor where we can customize the home page. Now first of all, they have a list of items here from the classified listing. So if you want to add listing categories, listing showcase, locations, search forms, you can just drag them to your page. And also we have some other elements from Radius. You can see section title, info box, buttons and so on. Now these are available in this theme only, okay? And the rest of the elements are coming from Elementor itself. Now let's say you want to customize the heading or the title here. Just click here, go to this item, and you can change the text over here. You can add a new item if you want to. You can change this text. Then click here. This will be a form. You can see listing search. You can change the theme style and also the form style. Same goes for these elements. You can change the title. Then these are listing slider. So you can have another style for it. You can test these styles and you can keep the one that you want. And for further styling, you can go to style tab. You can change the background, category, title and all these colors and also the typography. And same goes for all these elements. Now if you want to add a new element, you can scroll down or you can just click this plus here. And you can add a new container and then you can add an element by going to all elements and drag any of these elements. Let's say we want a call to action here. So we can use call to action. And now we can change this title, the text and also the button. So a ready-made style here. Let's remove it. And once you are done, just click publish to save your changes. And in this way you can customize the home page and also the other pages like about, FAQ and all these. Now if you are following my channel, you know that Elementor is really easy. You can just go to my channel, search for Elementor and you will find lots of videos. So by using Elementor you can edit the main pages. And to edit the header like the logo, the menu and also the footer and the rest of the theme options, you can go to theme options from here or in the WordPress dashboard, go to appearance and theme options where you can change the theme settings like the main logo, the time format, freeloader and also the socials, header, footer, colors, typography and all these. For example, if you want to change the logo, just click upload here. Then you can upload your files from your computer. So let me upload the logo here. This will be the main logo. For the dark background, we can use a white logo. So I uploaded a white logo here. Then you can change the width and so on. Let's save changes. And let's reload it. You can see the logo, but it's too large. So we can either fix this using CSS or we can upload a small logo. Let me quickly fix this with CSS. Now we have changed the logo here and if I scroll down, and in the same way we can make changes to the footer. So for that we'll go back to theme options and we'll go to footer where we can change the footer style. Now we are using this one. We can switch to this one and this is the copyright area that we have enabled. So let's change it and display payment icon, you can enable it and you can add an image for the payments. Okay, let's save it and let's check it. So we change this one. Okay, you can also change this image if you want. In the theme options you will find all the options related to your theme. Let's go to colors. Now this is the primary color. If you want to change it, it will affect these colors like the red or pink one. Okay, this is the top bar background, the main menu colors and so on. Then for the typography you can change the font family, the font sizes for the headings and also for the body. We have different layout settings for the pages, for the blog, single blog and so on. And we have listing settings. So these are some styles available. You can try these and you can keep the style that you want. And to further customize the listings, you can go to classified listings where you will find everything related to the listings. So the total number of listings, published, pending, expired and so on. Go to form builder. This is the general form that you can edit and customize, and same goes for the filter. Then you can view payment histories, pricing and all the settings. So we have couple of settings available for the listings like the journal, moderation, payments, text and all these. So as mentioned earlier, I cannot cover all these options, but you can go through these options and you can make changes based on your need. Then you can find all your listings here. Now as an admin, you can edit these listings and you can customize them, you can delete them, you can add new listings, and we have review schema as well. And lastly, to add Google ads and enable them, just go to appearance and advertisement options. And here we have the header, before sidebar, after sidebar, and all these ads. So you can enable them, you can add your Google Ad code, and you can show ads on your website. So this was Classima Classified Ads WordPress theme that you can use for creating an ad listing or directory website. Again, the theme link will be given in the video description. And to learn everything about this theme, you can watch their detailed video. And they also have a video on how to import the demo data, but this is outdated and I showed you the new method. To learn more about WordPress Elementor and such more videos, you can follow my channel. Still, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.